Basically, we're going to look at today how to introduce order flow to your trading. We've looked at a lot of different things that you could use in order flow in the past few sessions, and it would be overwhelming to try and implement all of that at once, and probably would be a mistake to do that as well. So we're going to look at how you can bring in order flow into your trading without taking on unnecessary risk and without negatively impacting your trading. Now, I'm going to apologize to a few people in advance because there's going to be a few people's stories mentioned here. I'm not going to mention names, but they're absolutely going to recognize themselves. So for those people, I do apologize in advance. This is well intentioned. It is for the greater good. Just thank you for giving me the example. Anyway, any change to your trading is going to carry risk. So before you start to make changes, it makes sense to manage and to mitigate those risks. And just throwing in order flow isn't going to work for you. But the reality is that is exactly what most traders that come across order flow do. So we'll look at the risks, how you can implement order flow based on where you are right now with your trading so that you can make your own plan. Now we'll also look at the idea of having a short-term as well as longer-term trading goals as an alternative to just having profitable as being a single destination in mind for order flow or for indeed your entire trading career. And we're also going to look a little bit more at gameplay and the consideration of trading in crowded versus uncrowded areas when using order flow, and of course, to keep you all interested, because I know I'm going to bore you with some of the theory, we're going to look at some of the setups. Now, throughout the webinars that we've talked about so far, we've used the analogy of icing on the cake. Now, for many of you, the cake would be the ability to define a location to enter a trade, usually through some means other than the order flow itself. The icing is using order flow to confirm or refine that entry location. Now, order flow can be both the icing and the cake. It can be trade location and entry confirmation. And in fact, we did a webinar a few weeks ago on Top Step called Day Trading Without Charts.